Alright, Pokeverse. I'm very excited to open this one. Took me a while to get my hands on this. I had to trade something that I really didn't want to, but you know, it ain't no fun not opening this new set. So we're gonna do it. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I've never had one of these. But now I do. Well, I did. Because now it's opened. Can't keep it sealed. It's opened. Let's get into it. Put it over there. And there we go. Let's get into one of these. Yeah, let's do it. 3-pack blisters. Or text stickers, I guess is what they call them. Now, not the easiest to get to. Got that pack, that pack, that pack. You got the stickers, which will set those over there. You got the Sylveon promo. Set that over there. Get the trash out of the way. Some of these over here. Let's get into these packs. I'm nervous and excited all at the same time. But I plan to open up every one of these packs with y'all. A Master Ball Espeon. Bet. That's a nice hit. Into a Vaporeon. My first Evolution Master Ball. Go. Got a little cold, so sound a little raspy. Nothing in that one but a Glaceon. Let's get into this last pack. Come on, last pack magic. Eevee, Groudon, to a Leafeon. Alright, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Get that Master Ball Espeon.